Have you ever wondered what the future of agriculture might look like and how drones could play a part in it? Well, let's take a journey into the not-so-distant future and explore this fascinating topic. Agriculture is a cornerstone of human civilization, but it's not without its challenges. From labor shortages to changing weather patterns, farmers have always had to adapt and innovate to ensure our food supply. But in recent years, these challenges have become even more complex. As our global population continues to grow, so does the demand for food. Yet, farmland is becoming increasingly scarce, and traditional farming practices are often not sustainable or efficient enough to meet this rising demand. This is where the concept of drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, comes into play. Drones are not just for stunning aerial photography or delivering packages. They hold tremendous potential for revolutionizing the agricultural sector. Imagine a farmer being able to monitor vast expanses of land from the comfort of their home, identifying areas that need more water or are affected by pests. Picture a drone, equipped with advanced sensors and GPS, spraying crops with precision, reducing waste and environmental impact. Drones can provide farmers with a bird's-eye view of their crops, help optimize irrigation, and even assist in the planting process. They can save time, resources, and ultimately increase the yield and quality of the crops. But the benefits of drones in agriculture extend beyond just the farm. By making farming more efficient, we can reduce the amount of land needed for agriculture, preserving natural habitats and biodiversity. The future of agriculture is not just about growing more food, but doing so in a way that is sustainable, efficient, and respects our planet. And drones could be a key tool in achieving this goal. Of course, the integration of drones into farming practices is not without its challenges and questions. It requires investment, training, and regulatory frameworks, but the potential benefits are too significant to ignore. If this is your first time here, and you want to learn more about modern farming, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how drones are changing the future of agriculture in the upcoming segments. Let's delve into a real-life example to illustrate the impact of drones in agriculture. Imagine a sprawling farm in the heartland of America, where traditional farming techniques have been practiced for generations. The farmers on this land, like many others, face challenges such as unpredictable weather, pests, and crop diseases. Enter the world of drone technology, heralding a new era in crop monitoring. Just a few years ago, this farm transitioned to drone-based crop monitoring. The farmers here have a drone that soars high above the fields, capturing high-resolution images of the crops below. These images provide a bird's-eye view of the entire farm, something that was unimaginable just a decade ago. So, what's the benefit of this bird's-eye view? Well, it allows the farmers to spot any issues early on. For instance, different colors in the images can indicate areas where the crops are struggling, perhaps due to a lack of water or an infestation of pests. With this knowledge, the farmers can take swift, targeted action to resolve the issue, rather than treating the entire field and wasting valuable resources. Furthermore, drones can monitor crops far more frequently than humans can. This constant surveillance helps detect problems in real time, allowing for quick interventions that can save a season's yield. It's like having a personal watchdog for your crops, keeping an eye out 24/7. And the effectiveness of this method? It's been transformative for this farm. They've reported increased crop yields, reduced resource waste, and a significant drop in the time spent on manual monitoring. In short, drones have made farming more efficient and sustainable. But it's not just about the numbers. The farmers here speak of a newfound peace of mind, knowing that they have this technological ally watching over their crops. They can focus more on other aspects of farming, assured that their fields are under constant, vigilant surveillance. As you can see, drones allow farmers to monitor their crops more efficiently, saving both time and resources. And in this rapidly changing world, these aerial helpers are proving to be invaluable allies in the quest for sustainable and productive agriculture. But crop monitoring isn't the only use for drones in agriculture. Let's look at another example. Imagine a large farm nestled in the heartland of America, where the traditional method of crop spraying has been transformed. Instead of tractors or crop dusters, drones are now the tool of choice. This isn't a vision of some distant future, but a reality for many farms today. Let's take the example of a farm in the Midwest. This farm, spanning over several thousand acres, traditionally relied on manned aircraft for crop spraying. However, the cost, risk, and the environmental impact of this method were significant. The farm decided to switch to drone technology for their crop spraying operations. The benefits were immediate. The drones, equipped with state-of-the-art GPS and spray systems, could be programmed to cover specific areas of the field. This precision reduced the amount of pesticide used, making the process more environmentally friendly. Moreover, the farm reported significant cost savings. The drones were less expensive to operate than the manned aircraft, and the precise spraying reduced the amount of pesticide needed, further lowering costs. The farm also benefited from the flexibility of the drones. Unlike the manned aircraft, which needed a runway and favorable weather, the drones could be launched and operated in a variety of conditions. The effectiveness of drone crop spraying has been impressive. The farm reported higher crop yields, with healthier plants that were less affected by pests and disease. The drone's ability to spray at a lower altitude and with more precision also meant less pesticide drift, reducing the impact on non-target areas and organisms. In addition, the farm's decision to use drones for crop spraying has been applauded by environmental groups for its sustainability. The reduction in pesticide use, along with the lower carbon footprint of the drones compared to traditional aircraft, has made this a win-win situation. Drones can not only monitor crops but also spray them, making the process more accurate and less wasteful. So whether it's monitoring or spraying, drones are truly revolutionizing the way we farm. Why not consider leveraging this technology on your farm too? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Farming Know-How for more insights into the future of farming. Drones can also play a significant role in soil analysis. Let's explore this with another case study. Imagine a farm nestled in the heartland of America, where the soil is as diverse as the crops grown on it. This farm, let's call it Sunnyside Farms, has embraced the use of drones for soil analysis with open arms. In the past, Sunnyside Farms relied on traditional methods of soil sampling, which were labor-intensive and time-consuming. The farmers would collect soil samples manually, send them to a lab, and wait for results. This process could take weeks, and the results were often not as accurate or comprehensive as they needed to be. Enter drones. Equipped with advanced sensors and imaging capabilities, drones can analyze the soil's health and composition in real time. They can detect levels of organic matter, moisture content, and even the presence of pests. At Sunnyside Farms, drones fly over the fields, capturing high-resolution images that provide a detailed picture of the soil's condition. The benefits? They're substantial. For starters, the drones provide precise data, which allows the farmers at Sunnyside Farms to make informed decisions about their crops. They can pinpoint areas of the farm that need more attention, tailor their fertilizer use to the soil's specific needs, and even predict crop yields. This precision agriculture has led to increased productivity and sustainability. Furthermore, drones make soil analysis quicker and less labor-intensive. What used to take weeks now takes just a few hours. And because the drones can cover large areas quickly, Sunnyside Farms can analyze its entire farm in a fraction of the time it used to take. The effectiveness of this method is clear. Since implementing drone technology, Sunnyside Farms has seen significant improvements in crop health and yield. The farm is more productive, more sustainable, and more profitable. Indeed, drones have made soil analysis easier and more precise, allowing farmers to make informed decisions about their crops. The future of agriculture is here, and it's soaring high above the fields on the wings of drones. Now that we've seen some real-life examples, let's summarize the role of drones in agriculture. We've embarked on a fascinating journey today, exploring the intersection of technology and agriculture. Drones, once the stuff of sci-fi and military operations, have found a new home in our fields and pastures, forever altering the way we approach farming. We started by discussing the use of drones in crop monitoring. With the aid of these flying machines, farmers can now keep a watchful eye on their crops without ever setting foot in the field. Drones offer a bird's-eye view of the landscape, identifying issues like pest infestations or signs of disease that may be missed from ground level. This early detection allows for a swift response, saving both time and crops. Next, we delved into the world of crop spraying. Drones have brought an unprecedented level of precision to this task. With their ability to fly close to the ground and target specific areas, they minimize waste and ensure that pesticides and fertilizers are used efficiently. This not only cuts costs but also reduces the environmental impact of these substances. Then we turned our attention to soil analysis. Drones equipped with advanced sensors can analyze the soil's composition, moisture content, and other vital factors. This information is crucial for determining the best crops to plant and the most effective fertilization strategies. By doing so, drones help to optimize yield and sustainability. In essence, drones are transforming agriculture into a high-tech industry, improving efficiency, reducing costs, and promoting sustainability. They are tools of precision, capable of tasks that would have been unimaginable just a few years ago. So, as we can see, drones are not just about delivering packages or taking stunning aerial shots, they are revolutionizing the future of agriculture, making farming more efficient and sustainable. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.